Attention to everybody, attention on deck. Make sure that you're close to and with your buddy. We have an hour trip to the dive site. You will be getting a briefing, and before you get into the water, I'll be recording your time in.
So what we're doing out here on this very beautiful day, we have what we call some underwater archaeology advocates.
What we teach here is the basic principles of how to document a shipwreck, how to do measurements underwater, basic mapping techniques.
We are training them to be able to go into a shipwreck landscape and begin the initial process of gathering data.
So we do maritime archaeology, which enabled us to uncover the São José. The São José is a slave ship that starts in Lisbon, travels to Mozambique, picks up captive Africans to sell them into enslavement in Brazil. The ship goes down just off the coast of South Africa.
What we're doing here is helping to tell a story on a human scale, a story about a ship and the 512 people who were enslaved aboard that ship, and the search in all its levels for and around the ship creates deep connections.
I do recall very distinctively when I first encountered the wreckage of the São José. Being in the water, for me, it can become very, very meditative and quiet and beautiful. But when that beauty sort of encapsulated a slave shipwreck, you know, there's another sort of feeling you get.
Per la rila mangi playa